It's the 5th Annual Ocean County Truck Show, presented by Lester Glenn Auto Group. It's an event so big,
you'll have to see it to believe it.
Starting Friday, you'll see hundreds of trucks on display in the Ocean County Mall front parking lot. All the pickup trucks you're looking for, and they're all there in one place for you to sit in, check out, and experience the truck you've always wanted, all clearly priced. And on Saturday, from 1 to 3, meet New York Yankee pitcher Severino and receive a free autograph photo. Remember, no selling will take place. There's no pressure. If you love trucks, don't miss this one.